Hey guys, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I am going to talk to you about the revolutionary gel moisturizer which is from the brand Garnier, and it is from their Garnier Complete Bright Gel range, and this particular moisturizer can do wonders to your skin. So we all know that hydration is really very important for our skin. But finding a good moisturizer which can hydrate your skin well at the same time without impacting your skin is very difficult. We find lot of moisturizers in the market which is oily, sticky, or very heavy on our skin, or sometimes they also give you acne, small bumps, or sometimes even you get those dark spots on your skin, which we don't want, right? So if you are looking for something which can easily hydrate your skin without giving you any acne, small bumps, or dark spots on your skin, then you must watch this video till the end. So this moisturizer from Garnier is not only going to moisturize your skin well, but it also going to lighten your dark spots. Yes, you heard me right. So let me introduce you to Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum Gel. So this moisturizer deals with two of your problem. It's going to lighten your dark spots, and it's also going to moisturize your skin well without making your skin oily or greasy, because it's a gel based moisturizer. So I have a combination skin, and I have mentioned this lot of times that in summers my skin becomes too oily, and in winters my skin feels a combination type. But I cannot apply anything which is very heavy on my skin, because it makes my skin oily and greasy, which I don't like. I like something which can properly hydrate my skin without making my skin oily and greasy, and without leaving the acne as well. So do you know how it's going to work on your dark spots and oiliness? So this moisturizer contains vitamin C, which is the best source of antioxidant. So vitamin C is something which protects our skin from UV rays, and also it lightens up the dark spots. Since it is a vitamin C based gel moisturizer, it gets absorbed into your skin really very easily, and it moisturizes your skin well without making your skin oily or greasy. It also has 96% of natural ingredient inside it, so it's really very safe to be used as well. So I forgot to tell you that these products are also free from any kind of a paraben, silicone, and also there is no alcohol added in it. So that's a plus point, because you must avoid products with alcohol. So it also hydrates your skin well without imposing a lot of chemicals in your skin. This is the outer package. Let me show you how does the moisturizer looks from inside. So you can see this is the moisturizer from inside. It's really very light. It's really gel based. You can see it's a transparent moisturizer. It doesn't have any color as well. And when you will apply it, it will easily get absorbed into your skin. You can see it's very lightweight. It's like a serum. It gets penetrated into your skin really very easily. So first I wash my face with this Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Gel Face Wash. It has vitamin C plus lemon inside it, and once you will wash your face with this, your face will instantly brighten up, which I love about this face wash. Go on with the moisturizer. I just take a little bit of my moisturizer on my fingers, and then I massage it like this. And once you will apply, you will immediately feel that boost of hydration on your skin, which I love. And it's really very lightweight. As I told you, it's a serum based moisturizer, gel based moisturizer, so it feels very lightweight and it doesn't make your skin oily as well. So if you are also someone who belongs to oily or combination skin type, you can also go with this particular range from Garnier, the Bright Complete Vitamin C Gel range, and you are going to love it, because I have been using these products since a while and I'm loving these products. So I know that you guys are also going to love these products, and especially it has vitamin C inside it, and I have told you many times that vitamin C is one of my favorite ingredient in my skincare routine. It has like change my skin game, so I will highly recommend you guys to try these products. Ask me why I love using these products. As I told you that I like the texture of the product. It's very lightweight, perfect for oily combination skin type. It doesn't make my skin oily at all. and it also doesn't leave any kind of acne. It lightens my dark spots as well. So what are you waiting for? If you are also someone who is having oily skin, having dark spot, and you're not able to get the perfect moisturizer for yourself, then you must try this one out, and I will be leaving all the links of the products in the description. So this 100-gram Garnier Bright Complete Gel face wash is going to cost you rupees 225, and the Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C serum gel is going to cost you rupees 189 for 45 grams, and 23 grams will cost you rupees 105. So I hope that you guys have loved my video. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to press that like button, subscribe to my channel, and you can also share my video with your friends and family. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to get these products for you, and you can use the links in the description. So that's it for today's video. Until next time, Fashion Plugin signing off. Bye bye. We will meet in our next video.